Voting for the 8 general elections to the 30-member Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council began at 7 a.m. today at 1,244 polling stations. Over 45% turnout has been recorded till 1:30 p.m. Long queues of voters waiting their turn were seen at many polling stations since morning. Polling has been peaceful so far without any major untoward incidents. In the 30-seated TTAADC, 28 are elected while the rest 2 are nominated. A total of 8,65,041 voters would exercise their adult franchise, and of them, 4,36,548 are males and the rest 4,28,490 are females. And as many as 16 companies of Central Reserve Police Force, 5,864 Tripura State Rifles Jawans, 3,435 Tripura Police and 263 Home Guard personnel were mobilized to ensure law and order during the polls. Notably, the ADC election is a three-cornered contest between the CPIM, which won the last 4 terms, the BJP Indigenous People's Front of Tripura, Combine and Tipraha Indigenous Progressive Regional Alliance led by Royal Sign Pradot Kishore Manikya De Burma.
এখানে 50% আমাদের আশাবাদী আছে কংগ্রেসের। কেন 50% আমরা ভোট পাবো? সেখানে আমরা কংগ্রেসের আদর্শ এবং গণতন্ত্র সামনে রেখেই মানুষের দরজা দিয়ে আমাদের গণতন্ত্রকে পৌঁছে দেওয়া হয়। পৌঁছে দেওয়ার পরে মানুষ আমাদেরকে বিশ্বাস করে আমরা 50% এখানে আমরা লিড করব। কংগ্রেসের বেশিরভাগ সাপোর্ট আছে, 50% আমরা ভোট পাবো।
আপনি কি কোনো জায়গায় ভিজিট করছেন?
আর ভিজিট করেছি, বিভিন্ন জায়গাতে আমি গিয়েছিলাম, কমলাসরে গেছি, ডনসরে গেছি, বিভিন্ন জায়গাতে আমি গেছি। আমাদের 50% 60% আমাদের ভোট কাস্টিং অফিসে
ভোট দেয়া।
I feel so good. It's nice for me to vote for the first time. It is my privilege to vote, and I'm so happy here for the first time.
वोट देने के लिए हम लोग यहाँ पर आ रहे हैं। सुखी से हमारे त्रिपुरा मोथा से वो महाराजा से जीतने के लिए हमारे तो विश्वास है उसने जीतेगा, इसलिए हम लोग खुशी है। 10 तारीख में हम समझ जाएगा कौन जीतेगा कौन नहीं जीतेगा।
पहले सीपीएम का था।
हाँ, पहले सीपीएम था।
कैसा काम हुआ
सीपीएम समय में तो इतनी खराब तो नहीं है। इसके बाद आईपीएफटी जो आया उसके बाद हम बहुत खराब पाया, इसलिए हम बहुत दुखी है। महाराजा के लिए हम देने के लिए जीतने के लिए खूब बहुत खुशी है मेरे मन में, ऐसी बात है।
अभी टाकरजोला में किस चीज़ का प्रॉब्लम है?
टाकरजोला में रास्ता प्रॉब्लम और बिजली के लिए और रास्ता और पानी और शिक्षा करने के लिए स्कूल कम है, मास्टर अच्छा नहीं है, इसलिए हम बहुत दुख है, इसलिए हम लोग इसे चाहता है।
Actually, I feel happy because this is my first time voting in election, so I have voted for the leader whom I like and whom I feel that he will support our state. He will help us when we need. That's why I have voted for. Means like हमारे यहाँ का area में there are many people. Means like mostly the old ones, उन लोगों को वो थोड़ा सपोर्ट चाहिए, जैसे mainly even the road conditions are good, but sometimes the electricity and then mainly the education. Means like जैसे मैंने यहाँ से पढ़कर MBBS किया है, तो मैं चाहती हूँ कि यहाँ के और सारे लोग भी यहाँ से पढ़कर means like और सारे मेडिकल इंजीनियरिंग में भी चांस मिले।
All right, viewers, to know more on this, we are being joined over phone line with senior journalist from Tripura, Sajid Ali. So, Mr. Ali, voting underway for 30-member TTAADC polls in Tripura, and till now 45% polling has been recorded till 1:30 p.m. So, what more details you have with you to share with our viewers, Sajid Ali?
Just to make a correction that election is taking place for 28 segments of TTAADC. And 2 members are nominated by the governor. So altogether, it's 30. And election has started since 7 a.m. and there have been reports of some sporadic incidents in some constituencies. I mean, in one constituency, which is 13 Simna Tomakari, there has been a report of little tension between supporters of TIPRA and IPFT. And we have come to know that IPFT Joint General Secretary Mongol Dev Burma, who is also the candidate from the area, he has been virtually, blocked from going out of the polling station by hundreds of supporters of TIPRA. There is a complaint that Mongol Dev Burma was allegedly trying to influence the voters inside the polling station. So that was the complaint made by the TIPRA, and after that tension broke out in the area. In other places also, elections were disrupted for some time. In one place, in constituency Bujangnagar and Wakirampara segment. One constituency is there where presiding officer had to be replaced because TIPRA Motha supporters, they were complaining that he was behaving in a partisan manner in favor of a different party. So after that, polling started. And also there were issues in other areas also. But by and large, it is peaceful. Election is going on. And people, men and women, they have come out from their home in large number to exercise their franchise. And there has been adequate election, security deployment across the TTADC areas. And no such major violence reported, except in one incident at Amtoli Golagat segment, where security force had to resort a fire in the air to disperse a mob, which was trying to ransack the polling station.
All right, Mr. Sajid Ali, thank you so much for all those details. So viewers, reactions also coming in from IPFT leader Mewar Jamatia. Let's listen into that.
আজকে খুব সহজভাবে বুথ করেছে। আমি জানি এই এলাকা 80% আমরা বুথ পাবো। বিজেপি আইপিএফটি জোট আমাদের ক্যান্ডিডেট গীতা দেববর্মা 80% উনি পাবো, আমি নিশ্চিত। আর জনগণ খুব ইচ্ছাকৃতভাবে নির্ভয় বিসিসে ভোট দিয়েছে। আমি নিজে ভোট দিয়েছে, এখানে আমরা অবশ্যই জয় হব।
So we was voting for the 8 general elections to the 28-member Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council began at 7 a.m. today at 1,244 polling stations. And also let me tell our viewers once again that over 45% turnout has been recorded till 1:30 p.m.